Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 machine. So first of all I will open the Google Chrome browser and in the search bar I will type download Visual Studio Code, okay, and then I'm going to click this link. The first link I'm going to click, I'll open in my new tab, okay. Since I'm using the Windows 11 machine, so I'm going to click this link, okay. Click this link and this is going to download the file, okay. This is going to start the download process, so it is going to take some time to complete, so you have to wait until this is done. So I already have this set up in my system, so I'm going to cancel this download process. So just go to the directory full download history, okay. I'm going to go here and I'm going to click this. So I've already downloaded this exe file, okay. Click this is going to start the installation process. I accept the terms and conditions, okay, fine. Click next, okay. This is where it is going to be installed. I will not change anything, leave it as it is. Click next, okay. Don't create, no, I want to create a Visual Studio, okay. Click next and yes, create a desktop icon, okay, fine. No, okay, fine, all okay. Next and install. This is going to start the installation process in my C directory, okay. So wait until this is complete. Okay, it has been installed. Click finish and it will the Visual Studio Code will automatically be launched. Click finish. Look, now you can write your Python code, you can write your C++ code, okay. This is the section, it's called the extension. You can install different extension in it, like you can install C++ extension, C sharp, etc, okay. So I hope you have gone through the process of installing Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 machine. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and most importantly, give your feedback in the form of comments. Thank you so much and have a great learning.